Imagine this. You need a high quality SEO optimized blog post ready to publish in minutes. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not anymore. Take a look at this blog post. It's professional, engaging, and perfectly optimized for search engines. And guess what? It was created with just one click. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. Let's get started. First of all, go to SEOwriting.ai and sign up. You can also log in with your Google account for convenience. Once logged in, you will see a clean and intuitive dashboard like this. Here you will find options like one-click blog post, bulk article generation, Humanizer Tool, and more. Everything you need to fulfill all kinds of writing needs. In this video, my focus is going to be on the one-click blog post feature, and towards the end, I will also cover the Humanizer tool. Let's see how you can generate a complete blog post with just one click. Here you need to provide your main keyword. Let's say, for example, website building AI 2025. If you already have a title in mind, you can use it here. Otherwise, you can generate a title from the keyword. If you like the suggested title, keep it. If not, you can regenerate until you find one that fits perfectly. Once you are happy with the title, you can hit run to generate your blog in one click. But first, we need to tweak some more settings to get the best result. Let's walk through each of these settings step by step. Now let's move to the core settings. First, you need to select the language for your blog. Almost all major languages are available, so you can choose your preferred one. Next, select the article type. Take a look at all the options here. If you find one that's relevant to your article, go ahead and choose it. If you are unsure, you can leave it on the default settings. After that, select the article size. For this example, I will keep it small. Now let's move to the content settings. First, select the tone of voice. You can choose from options like friendly, professional, informational, transactional, inspirational, and more. Pick the one that suits your needs. I will keep it friendly for this example. Next, choose the point of view for your blog. If you are not sure, you can leave it as none. Then select the country you want to target. I will keep it default to the US. Now let's dive into the AI settings. This is the most important section of all. Here you can choose the AI model you want to use to generate your blog. At the top you will see DeepSeek R1 and DeepSeek V3 with real-time SERP. These are the same AI models that have shocked ChatGPT and other AI giants. DeepSeek R1 is perfect for in-depth research-backed content. DeepSeek V3 excels at producing concise, optimized articles. Both models use a real-time SERP engine, ensuring your content aligns with the latest search trends. You also have access to other AI models ranging from basic to the highest tier in the industry, like Claude 3 Opus and GPT-o1. In text readability option, I will keep the recommended setting, and in AI content cleaning, I will choose basic AI words removal. Next, we have another crucial feature, brand voice. Brand voice is used to create or maintain your brand's unique identity. It ensures a consistent tone and style across all your content. You can train the AI to mimic your brand's voice by providing examples of your previous content. Once set up, every blog post you generate will sound like it was written by you or your team. I will cover brand voice in details in another video with some live examples. For now, let's go back. Now let's move to the details to include section. Here you can specify any key information that should be included in the generated content. Just make sure the details you input align with the main keyword and title. For example, if you are writing about website building AI, you shouldn't include unrelated details like dogs or cats. Instead, focus on relevant topics like introduction to AI web designers, company name, pricing plans, exclusive features, user interface and experience, pros and cons. You can specify details up to 1000 characters. Next, we have the Media Hub section. Here you can control the type of images or videos you want in your blog. You can adjust their numbers, styles, and size to match your preferences. You can also select YouTube videos, number of videos, and layout options. I am leaving them default. Now let's move to the SEO section. Here you can provide relevant keywords. If you don't, the AI will automatically generate them based on your main keyword. Next we have the structure section. This is where you can control the structure of your blog from the opening to the conclusion. You can customize all the different elements you want in your blog post. For example, if your opening has a strong hook, your audience is more likely to stay engaged. Otherwise, they might leave. So it's crucial to have a compelling hook. Here you can select a pre-designed hook or write one yourself. By default, all these elements are set to yes. You can change it if you want. I'm leaving them as they are. We have a few more features and options, but most of them work with a WordPress website. We will cover those in another video with a live WordPress demo. For now, we will leave them at their default settings and go back to the top of the page. Now this is the one-click moment. Go ahead and click run. The blog post is being generated. After some time, your blog post is ready. First, we have a clear and engaging title with a beautiful image on top. This immediately grabs attention and sets the tone for the article. Here is a key takeaways section, perfect for readers who want a quick, impactful summary. And look at this. The AI has included a relevant YouTube video to make the content even more engaging. Here is another image. If you don't like this image, no problem. You can change it with just a click. Each subheading is well structured and the tables are perfectly placed to complement the content. The conclusion wraps everything up neatly. And finally, an FAQ section. This adds so much value by answering common questions in a concise and helpful way. You can copy or edit the code here. This is the SEO score of this blog. 90% is really impressive. It's a perfectly SEO optimized blog. If you want to further edit the blog, you can do it here. And if you have a WordPress website, you can publish the blog post in one click. You just have to connect your website with Seowriting.ai. Now if you want this amazing tool, you just have to sign up today. Seowriting.ai has a free plan to get you started with some usage limits. When you decide to take a subscription, the plan starts as low as $14 per month. To make it even better, you can use a special code LETS25 to get extra 25% discount. Now let's look at the Humanizer tool. When you open it, you see an interface like this. Here you can input any AI generated text and the Humanizer tool will add a human touch to it. And you will get the result as if it was written by a human. There are some settings that you can use to control the output. First, you have the readability option, ranging from 5th grade to professional levels. Select whatever you like. 8th grade is easily understood and recommended. Next, select the language. Next, we have remove AI words option. If you choose basic list, it will remove common AI generated words like additionally, finally, emphasizing. And if you select extended list, it will remove even more words which are not commonly used by humans. Now press the humanize button. Within few seconds you will get humanized text. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.